Here's what great restoration looks like using laser cleaning. Restore laser cleaning utilizes a high-energy directed beam of light to vaporize pollution layers off of many types of surfaces. It's fast, it's effective, and it's green. Remove rust or corrosion from metal. Remove primer and paint coatings, or remove soot and biofilm such as mold and mildew from drywall, wood, fiberglass, stone, metal, and more. Restore laser cleaning technicians work with clients that desire a particular profile of the finished surface. Together, we craft a laser cleaning process for nearly all surfaces and budgets. Once the process is dialed in for a fast and cost-effective clean, we work together to implement cleaning regimens or to place lasers into our clients' cleaning environments safely and to train them on their safe operation. From the small and sentimental items to large industrial and infrastructure cleaning requirements, Restore Laser Cleaning has your cleaning solution. What would you like restored with laser cleaning?
Or to place lasers into our clients' cleaning environments and to train them on their safe operation. From the small and sentimental items to large industrial and infrastructure cleaning requirements, Restore Laser Cleaning has your cleaning solution. What would you like restored with laser cleaning?